Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 and let me show you how to record a screen on the following device. So all you have to do is to slide down the upper bar, then locate the screen recorder, and now you've just started recording the screen. So let me open some different apps, different windows. And now you can click on stop. And you can either start a new video or click on the cross icon to finish it. And then you can find it in the gallery. So just open the gallery and under recents, right here, you can play the video. Here it is. As you can see, the screen is recorded. And now you can share it with your friends, you can edit it, you can delete it, or do whatever you want to with the screen record. So that would be all. So you can record a screen on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.